Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Liverpool, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Transporter panel van Startline. This van comes with the diesel engine and features the manual transmission. It's also finished in the Indian grey paintwork, giving it a gorgeous look. Taking a look at your exterior features, it comes with the steel wheels offering the silver trim caps with the Volkswagen Centre logo in. You've also got the heated door mirrors that do come with electrical adjustment. And around to the rear you'll find the parking sensors, aiding when manoeuvring via audible indications. Into the rear you've got the barn style doors there, as well as a sliding side door on the passenger side. On the floor you'll find the lashing rings for load restraints, as well as ambient lighting above. Making our way inside, on the driver's door card you'll find the electric windows and your heated door mirror controls. Inside there's plenty of modern styling, with the cloth upholstery and the driver's seat offering the armrests either side. On the steering wheel you'll find the cruise control and speed limiter with the volume for your media system on the left and the next and back buttons on the right. Above that you've also got the controls for the digital screen within the cockpit. Flicking through you've got audio, telephone, vehicle status, driving data and assist systems all available to view. Onto the main media system, under radio you'll find AM, FM and DAB offering stations from across the country, as well as an SD card reader, USB connectivity and Bluetooth audio. You can also use that Bluetooth for hands-free calling when on the go, helping you to keep connected. You've even got the option to integrate your smartphone via USB so that you can make and take calls that way, or you can even use navigation or other systems on your phone. Taking a look at the rear camera, you've got a nice clear view behind, and the parking guidelines make it a little bit easier to manoeuvre as well with the parking sensors. Moving down from here you've got the climate controls as well as the heated front seat controls to keep nice and toasty in the colder winter months. Behind that is your 5-speed manual gear stick, and to the left you'll find a cup holder, 12 volt and 2 USBs. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01515 152 911. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.